Hello, my friends. Here are 4 quick radon tips in a nutshell. You will do well to remember these 4 tips, especially when you select a radon mitigator to fix radon. Quick tip number 1. Air intake filters. A premium factory-made fresh air filter will not need service for 18 to 24 months. Since it is MERV 14-15, it will clean the fresh air like an N95 face mask. It will remove pollen and mold spores that cause asthma and allergy suffering. MERV 14-15 filtration will keep bacteria, viruses, pollen, mold spores, PM 2.5, soot and smoke out of your home's breathing zone and out of your spouse's and children's lungs, bloodstream, heart, bone marrow, and even their brains. More later. Alzheimer's radioactive PM 2.5 particles accumulate in the brain and bone marrow, especially. Would you remove the engine air filter and run your car with no engine air filter, or with a 60 to 90-day homemade engine air filter? Would you let a mechanic remove your factory engine air filter and tell you that you didn't need it, or that his homemade filter was good enough? He didn't tell you that you would have to hand wash and service his homemade filter every 60 to 90 days to keep the radon system reducing radon. Why would you allow a 60 to 90-day homemade filter to be installed in your home? Probably because the radon mitigator failed to tell you what you were getting, and you didn't ask. Premium long-life air intake filters are available online. Quick tip number 2. Automatic humidity control prevents a fresh air dilution pressurization radon system from increasing humidity above 59.9% to prevent mold and moldy odors. You don't have to do a thing. Automatic humidity control means no high humidity caused mold or moldy odor problems, and no need to install a dehumidifier later. For long-term peace of mind, doesn't set it and forget it. Humidity control makes sense. Of course, it does. Who wants to have to manually switch a radon system on and off several times a day or week to prevent high humidity, mold, and moldy odors? Without an electronic, automatic humidity controller, you may have to do that yourself. Do you want to have to keep track of humidity and operate the on-off switch yourself? Well, a mitigator might not tell you that, and it is easy to see why. Quick tip number 3. With a master control panel, a jeweler's screwdriver can adjust the average radon level with precision. It is quick and easy. A digital radon meter will guide the adjustment for remarkable accuracy. If your radon system does not have a master control panel, how are you or anyone else going to adjust the radon level? Ask your radon mitigator how you or how he can adjust the radon level, or if it is even adjustable at all. Quick tip number 4. A digital radon meter with audible alarm is essential to reveal if a radon system is working. It will also guide accurate adjustment of the average radon level with a jeweler's screwdriver. Silent radon meters should be avoided. Battery-powered radon meters are subject to battery failure. A plug-in radon meter will serve for years to advise of the radon system's successful operation and of failure. With a reliable meter, the owner can call the mitigator to fix the radon system while it is still under warranty. What is a warranty worth if you don't know the system has failed? Let's review. First is a decent, long-life filter removing the bad stuff from fresh air to keep your spouse and children healthy. Second, will a humidity controller prevent moist conditions, mold, and moldy odors? Did your mitigator warn you that you may have to install a dehumidifier later? Third, is it easy to adjust the average radon level? Fourth, will a reliable meter give an audible alarm when the system fails and allow you to adjust radon system operation with accuracy? What is a radon system warranty worth if you don't have a reliable and audible warning of failure? Radon systems are most certainly not all the same. Caveat emptor.